Hello, welcome to AMP Reviews. Today I'll be talking about Bitcoin and the future of Bitcoin and what will be happening to Bitcoin and other altcoins. I'll also be dealing with ICOs in the future. So if you are interested in the ICOs, then I would advise you to subscribe to this channel. And actually, I did a video 2 weeks ago, about what is going to happen to Bitcoin, and we are actually experiencing it right now. I actually predicted what is going to happen to Bitcoin like we are experiencing today. Let me go ahead and actually show you the video I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the video I did. This was actually my first video on YouTube. And I published it on January 18. Let me go ahead and, let you look at it. Hello, welcome to the Crypto Boom channel. I know you've probably been thinking, why are we having so many red days with Bitcoin right now? And so I want to go over with you what is happening with Bitcoin right now. Okay. If you can look at this chart over here, this is the weekly chart. Every one of this bar was formed like within 7 days. So if you can see, we had a couple of good weeks. We went up, within like from September to December, we have all good weeks, so right now Bitcoin is trying to correct itself. But if you can look at the chart, you can see that this is where we hit the 20,000 mark. Okay, and what I'm thinking is, this is where we are right now. We are over here right now. You see, this is where we are right now. So you see the bar over there, the small bar over there. See, this is where we are right now. So this is where this chart here started, like on the 16th, which is like 2 days ago. So that's when we're having a lot of red, because it was, you see, this second one here started on the 9th. And then on the 16th, a new chart was formed, because every 7 days a new bar get formed. So on the 9th we had this one here. We had this down here, and then on the 16th we started getting more down again. So if you look at this, if you can see this red line over here, this is the 50-day moving average. What is happening is Bitcoin is trying to get to the 50-day moving average. It's trying to get close to the 15-day moving average on the weekly side. On the daily side, if you go to the daily side, if you look at the daily chart, this is the 50-day moving average. So on the daily side, we hit it and we already passed it. You know what I mean? So this is going to really come down a little bit more. So you got to check the weekly, weekly chart, and you can see that we are not close to the 50-day moving average. So it's going to get close to the 50-day moving average on the weekly side before Bitcoin will start going back up again. But what I'm thinking is, it's going to be, if somebody is telling you that Bitcoin is going to hit 20,000 like next month, next 2 months, it's not going to happen. You see, this is where we hit the 20,000 mark. Okay, and Bitcoin is probably going to shoot below like 7,000, 5,000 again before it start going back up again. Maybe like 6,000 before Bitcoin will start going back again. And it's going to go back slow, like, look at where 20,000 is. It's going to take a long time for it to go back up again. So if you're in Bitcoin right now and you're trying to make it big in a short period of time, then Bitcoin is not for you. What I'm thinking is Bitcoin is going to come down a little bit more, maybe 6,000 before we'll see any uptrend again. So what you can do right now is, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. If I were you, I will probably, stay in something like USDT, or the value of that one don't change. So stay, in USDT for maybe 3 weeks to a month. Wait till like the middle of February before I start looking at Bitcoin again. So if you like what I'm saying, and you want to follow me, you can subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to this channel here. I'll be doing more videos, like this on other cryptocurrencies. I'll also be doing more videos on ICOs. So just, subscribe to this channel, and, I'll provide you some more good information. Thank you for watching. Bye. So I did this video when Bitcoin was shooting between 11 and 12,000. You see, and I was predicting what was going to happen to Bitcoin right now, and that is what is happening right now. If you can see this new chart here, see, I did that video when this 2 bar was what I was talking about, and now look, we just got close to the 50-day moving average. See, the same 50-day moving average, and actually the 50-day moving average is like 5,300. 5,300, and we are now at 6,000. So it might probably lose another 1,000, before Bitcoin will start moving sideways. And it's going to probably stay on the sideways for a while. Because if you can see, look, see, I'm still on the weekly chart right now. If you can look at it, you see, this is where we hit at 20,000. And look, look at it, so it's gonna be it's gonna take a long time, we might probably not see 20,000 Bitcoin again, because you see, Bitcoin right now is trying to be like Ether. It's trying to get like a smart contract on the blockchain. So I think since Ether started it first, if Bitcoin want to be like Ether, then, the price is supposed to be the same, right? So since Ether started it first, I think Ether price will probably, in the near future, Ether price will be higher than Bitcoin. So, or Ether value will be higher than Bitcoin. The price, because the price depends on the number of tokens available. So I think Ether has a little bit more tokens. So the price of Bitcoin might be a little bit higher, but I'm talking about the valuation. The value of Ether will probably be more than Bitcoin in the near future. So Bitcoin might probably not see 20,000 anytime soon. That's my opinion, because look at it, look at where we hit at 20,000. It looks like a tower, it formed a tower, a long tower, and it's now forming the other side right here. You see, so Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere, but I think it might probably not see $20,000 price again. This is my prediction right now. Now Bitcoin might probably not see 20,000 again. So if you can, agree with me, then I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I believe in Bitcoin. I believe in blockchain. But if you look at the chart, look at it. There's no way it's just gonna, unless a miracle will jump it back to this side again. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's my prediction. Bitcoin is going to be there, you know, people are going to, you know, invest inside, and, you know, it's actually going to represent, like, you know, it's going to probably represent gold, you know, because it take like, you know, it take a lot of work and, you know, a lot of environmental destruction to get gold, you know. People get killed, you know, to find gold. So we need something to replace gold. So I think Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will probably do that. You know, but right now there are a lot of things that can do the same thing, you know, so the price of Bitcoin cannot be that much. And, you know, they are having problems with the speed, you know, transaction time, you know, the speed of transactions. And I mean, they have a lot of problems, you know. Ethereum is actually faster than, you know, if you use Ethereum and Bitcoin, Ethereum will, you know, arrive fast, you know, faster than Bitcoin, you know. So a lot of people might later be interested in other cryptos, you know. So that is why I'm predicting Bitcoin will probably not see $20,000 again, you know. So if you're in Bitcoin right now and you want to get out, I think, you know, I'm not a financial advisor, you know, but I think that would be a good choice, you know. Blockchain technology is not going to go anywhere. So if you put your money in a good idea, based on the blockchain, you will reap the result, you know. You will reap the reward, I mean. So that is my opinion right now, that Bitcoin will probably not see $20,000 again. Alright, so thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you have any question, you know, you can post it, you know, and I'll make sure I answer all the questions. Thank you. Bye bye.